A closet is supposed to be something that eradicates clutter. Ironically, it happens the other way round because you keep buying clothes or just toss everything into your closet. If you think it's hard to find your favorite t-shirt, it is time for you to declutter and organize your closet. Hold on! Don't be in a rush. You need to check these 12 inspiring closet makeover revealed before overhauling your closet. As usual, Simfoam presents you with the list. Number 12. Rescue your closet with humble S-hooks. Ideas from Sammy Purr and House of Yen. Jeans can be bulky, and thus they take up a lot of space in the drawer. Instead of folding them, which can be challenging sometimes, and stashing them away in your drawer, why don't you just hang them in the closet? You just need to purchase several heavy-duty S-hooks to hang your jeans. Then, slip the hook through the back of the belt loop and hang it to the rod. That's it. It is much easier and more convenient than folding them one by one. Number 11. Team up previous S-hooks with a towel bar. Inspiration from the Renegade Home. One of the reasons your wardrobe is running out of space is that you could not resist the urge to buy those cute jeans and jackets. So, what do you have to do? Simple. You need to tap into any vertical space available. If you have a blank wall, you can make use of it. You just need to mount 2 or 3 towel bars on it. Then get as many curtain hooks as necessary to hang your jackets, caps, and pants. Relevant instructions. Number 1. Measure the length of your wall. Number 2. Then mark where you are going to install the towel bar. Number 3. Follow the towel bar package instructions to mount the bars on the wall. Number 4. The next step is to mount curtain hooks at 16-inch distances along each towel bar, starting from mounted on the wall. Finally, hang your jackets and jeans on these hooks and allow them to dangle until you need them again. Number 10. A surprising teen bedroom transformation with a new closet organizer trick. In some cases, people still have plenty of space in their closets. However, they just have no idea how to organize things. As a result, clutter has finally taken over, making you think there is no room for your clothes anymore. If it is your problem, you can try investing in a closet organizer. Do not underestimate it. A closet organizer can help keep things tidy. Most importantly, it is easy to make. You just need to get some plywood boards, cut them to size to create the frame. Make sure it fits with the closet. Next, install the shelves and drawer slides. Put the organizer into your closet once the shelves and drawers are in place. Number 9. How to create a closet when you don't have one, by the Simply Organized. Do you not have any closets? No worries. You can still organize your clothes well with some wire shelvings. Unlike a standard closet that requires carpentry skills, this wire shelving is easy to install. Even if you lack space, you can still build it in any corner of your room. You can add as many shelves as you need. You can even install drawers and rods to hang your shirts and blouses. You can also try to add some hooks to hang belts and ties. The best part is that you do not need to buy expensive frames and shelving materials. In addition, your closet will look good even if you have limited drawers and rods. If you have a bigger, awkward space, you can use wire shelvings to create a small walk-in closet. There are many options for hanging hangers, hooks, and rods, so you can make your clothes easy to access in your closet. Plus, There are narrow shelves that you can use to store jewelry and small items like socks or cologne bottles. Number 8. Upgrade your closet and shoe organization strategy for $17 by Leah Mari Organization. Another culprit responsible for the clutter created inside the closet is your shoes. Some people, or maybe even you, like tossing shoes on the floor of the closet. You may stack and put them in a corner to clear the floor space. You might think it has overcome your problem. Apparently, you are just dodging it. The clutter problem will last forever if you do not end it now. Overcoming this problem is not that hard, though. In fact, it can be cheap and convenient. You just need to make simple shoe racks from the board. Basically, you only need to: Number 1. Figure out the size of your closet. Next, measure the length of the board that is at least 2 inches longer than the width of your closet. Number 2. Mark and drill small holes on the board using a sticky tack or a power drill. This step keeps each shelf from sliding off from the shoe rack. It also stabilizes each shelf by preventing it from moving sideways and falling off when you hang heavy shoes on its shelves. Number 7. Canning cabinet door DIY with no power tools idea. Adding canning to a cabinet or closet is somewhat intriguing. Who wouldn't fall in love with the exotic look and texture? Unfortunately, this addition may be arduous and pricey. But hey, cheer up! You can still have a brand new look with this top secret hack, canning like fabric. It is actually a textured vinyl that looks and feels like real canning. No one can tell the difference when people look at it. As a bonus, you can install it yourself without breaking a sweat. More importantly, it does not cost you an arm and a leg. Relevant instructions. 1. Attach the fabric canning to your closet doors using a spray adhesive or liquid starch. 2. Cut the excess fabric with a box knife and scissors. You can also use scissors to peel it off. 3. Reapply another layer of spray adhesive over the cut part of the fabric and let it dry. 4. Once dry, you can paint with your choice of color or wood stain on the door and then apply one more coat of spray adhesive to seal it completely. 5. Remove the canning. Use a scraper to peel it off. Number 6. How to keep the kids' outfits organized with a simple IKEA hack. Kids often have some trouble with choosing clothes. They tend to carelessly take everything out of the closet, making such a mess inside the closet. Well, allowing kids to get dressed by themselves is a great thing to do. It does not mean you cannot help them. At least you can make this activity less challenging to them by creating this closet system. You just need to get IKEA Trofast storage units. Install it in your kids' bedroom and add a label on each drawer. The label will tell your kids what to wear on a specific day. This way, they can prepare themselves for school without dilly-dallying. Number 5. A closet makeover reveal with California Closets. The good thing about doing a closet makeover is that you have the chance to start over, which can upgrade your day-to-day life. It does not have to be costly and complicated, though. You need to take everything out to start fresh and determine what you will remove or add to the closet. Adding a shelving unit as a closet organizer is a terrific idea. You can use it to store your shoes, books, boxes containing seasonal or sentimental items, or other knickknacks. You may also need to install the rod higher to have more space underneath, in case you plan to add another rod or tuck it in a dresser. To kick it up a notch, bring your favorite artwork. Number 4. Combine the previous ideas with simple color coordination and audit that could benefit you a lot in the near future. A clever idea from @GlowFash. Color code is no longer a new thing for organizing your clothes, including your denim. Try hanging them from lighter to the darker tones. This way, you'll find it easier to locate the one you plan to wear. It has been proven to be a successful technique for pros that said the same thing about their t-shirt selection. You can do other simple tricks to get more organized clothes storage. For example, by hanging or stacking your pants and shirts in the same color order. If you're having a hard time considering how to arrange it, follow the concept, lighter to darker. Empty clothes hangers work great for creating clothes storage under your bed. If you don't have any space to accommodate them, consider buying colorful plastic hangers that come with different designs. Using a fabric-covered hanger will allow you more space to place decorated clothing and accessories while preventing them from falling off too quickly. You can also use these hangers if you want to separate hooks for tops, bottoms, jackets, handbags, and collectible figures in the same area without worrying about one of them falling off. Number 3. A colorful entry closet makeover idea. Many people think that a small room is supposed to be bland. However, it can be a bit tedious. Therefore, you need to add some pops of color to the space, just like this entry closet. If you are not sure about adding more colors to your small entry closet, you can paint the entire walls and door white. Then, you can apply vibrant colors like yellow or pink to the accent wall. You can also add more interest by painting the bench green and tossing colorful stuff like cushions, bags, caps, and hooks. Number 2. Without touching your garment and clothing collection, shoes, underwear, hats, or jeans. Turn your closet nicer with some humble and cheap baking sodas by Domesticated Hippie. Do you wish to get rid of the pesky odor in your closet? You can try this DIY odor remover. First, put baking soda in a mason jar. Then place the lid onto cardboard. Trace the lid, cut out and poke the cardboard to create holes. After that, drop some essential oils into the baking soda. You can mix your favorite because the more, the better. Mix it up nicely. Next, place the cardboard on top of the jar. Then, replace the lid end. Finally, put the odor remover in your closet. To make it more personalized, you can add your name and note when you mix the ingredients or what is inside the new remedy. You can also add the scented base from the best of your partner's decision. Before I finish this countdown, support the channel by pressing subscribe button under the video. Please keep us in your subscription tabs for more home and garden improvement ideas like this. And finally, let's close our countdown with, lastly, number 1. How to choose the right hangers and deal with having no closet at all. First idea from Majuba Stylist. Avoid choosing the wrong hanger because a simple wrong selection could mean a significant disadvantage later. Choosing the wrong hangers can damage your clothes easily. Thus, you have to be wise when opting for the best ones. Look no further. Velvet hangers are your safe bet. They are sturdy and look even prettier. They also have notches on both sides to prevent your clothes from sliding off. Second idea from the Midnight Soaper. If you don't have any closets, it is time to use the double-sided tape and paper towel holder. Installing a rod can take a lot of time. Besides, you will also have to work with drills and screws. Therefore, you can use a paper towel holder instead. You just need to get a double-sided adhesive hook and attach it to the door. The hook is strong as long as you do not mount it from drywall, so you do not need to worry about its durability. Next, slide the paper towel holder through the hook and hang as many clothes as you want. That's it for now. Since you're still watching this video, press the like button, comment it, or share it with anyone close to you on your favorite social media channel. Browse and follow the Symphone website for more awesome content related to home and decor ideas. Until we meet again later, sometime in the future. Thanks for watching.